Okay, I'm going to show you what I need done, and I'm going to show you two different methods of how it possibly could be done. So, number one is it's basically an invoice that we're creating. So, as an example, in this example, I like various things of this particular one, but you can click on Add Other, for example, and it gives you a drop down for the product, pulling from the product table. You put in the quantity, and then you can put in a note, and then you can click Add to Cart. Now, I don't need a quantity. I do need a price, or the transaction amount, and the transaction date. So it's going to be a product, transaction date, transaction amount, and then a description or note. And you just click on Add to Cart, and it adds that to cart. And then, of course, if you want to delete a line item, you can do that by deleting. So that is one method. Another method, I think actually had, in this example, you select the customer, then you select a company, the affiliate, various things, and then all the products are listed with the price quantity. So the only thing that I could actually use this code. I think this would probably work. Um, the problem is that I only need to show the product, all the products. There's only like 8 products, so it's okay to show all the products. But I need to be able to put in the date of the transaction that this occurred, the transaction amount, and a description of what the transaction occurred. So if this were a transaction, that could be the transaction amount. There's no quantity, a transaction date, and then a description of what that transaction is. And then if those are filled in, then you go down here, you click Create Invoice, and it generates it. So in this case, if the way this one is built, if I go ahead and do that and click on that, it will go ahead and create that invoice automatically. So that could also work. I can put up the code for both. The one that I just showed, which is this right here, is called One Quick Invoice. One Quick Invoice. And the other one that I just demonstrated, here's an example of me trying to get that working, is this one. And I can put up the code for that. I want to make this very simple. This isn't anything complex. It's basically just adding line items um, so that I can create and generate an invoice. And I know how to write the code to generate the invoice. I just need help getting some way to be able to add line items in some easy, fashionable way.